In today's video, I am revealing how to make money online on eBay this year. I'm talking about making from $100 to $300 a day, and we're starting right now. Let's go to the intro. Woo! I know what you're thinking if you're watching this video. You want to make money fast and you want to make money the easy way, guys. You want to make money online. Thanks to this generation, we have numerous amounts of resources to sell products online and to market and advertise our products that we want to sell. eBay is a great place to do organic drop shipping. eBay is a great online website that you could use to easily drop ship products without even having them in your own possession. You guys could literally go from making $0 to making up to 100K in just the first 90 days with this method. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump on our phones, guys. I'm gonna teach you how to make money off of eBay just by using your cell phone. If you want to know how to start selling and drop shipping, hit the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon for a step-by-step tutorial. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about how to make money on eBay without having to do really any fulfillment and without having to have the products in your possession. And we're gonna talk about this interesting hack that I found that you guys can make up to $300 a day, guys. So sites that you would need is eBay, Walmart, Overstock, Rakuten, and some type of credit card provider. But note, the credit card provider is not necessary unless you really want to put this method on steroids and get maximum benefits and maximum rewards for using other people's money. Yes, guys, I said other people's money. The method that I'm gonna teach you today is you're simply using other people's money and you're shopping for them. You want to link your credit card to PriceYack. It automatically makes purchases from your credit card or your debit card selected and purchases it from Walmart, Amazon, Alibaba, and immediately ships it to your eBay customer, guys. You don't have to use PriceYack, but PriceYack makes this method easier to scale and easier to make up to 100 sales a day on completely automatic mode. But if you want to stay doing it all manually, it still won't get overwhelming. You can still fulfill 20 orders, 50 orders a day just by simply typing on your phone each and every order. But PriceYack does take that stress away, guys. First, what you want to do, guys, is you want to post a listing. You want to go on Walmart's website. You want to go on Overstock's website. You want to find popular trending objects, items. You know that Christmas is coming up, guys. You want to find some Christmas holiday toys, anything that could sell, and you can make a profit, $20 to $100 off of it, guys. What you want to do is you want to take that product that you find, you want to get good pictures of it, guys. You want to get good, legit pictures, professional pictures, and you want to post them on eBay, guys. You want to post those pictures on eBay, and all you got to do from there is wait for an order. So guys, if you really want to make this method work, you want to make sure that your eBay quantity is more than 1, probably 10. You don't really want to, put 100 because what if, your store runs out of 100 of those items. So probably 10 for quantity is what I suggest. Once you post your products on eBay, all you have to do, guys, is wait for a sale, guys. You can be out eating dinner and you can get a sale. All you have to do now is go on Walmart, go on Overstock, wherever you posted your product from, and order that product directly to the customer and ship it directly to the customer, guys. Alright, guys, so what we're gonna do is, what you first want to do is you want to pull up your Walmart app. Once you get your Walmart app pulled up, or your Walmart website, you want to search for trending topics, trending products that will sell easily and that you can make from $20 to $100 profit off of. So as you can see here, guys, we have a TV. For the example that I'm going to show you, it's a Hisense 40-inch Class 2K LED Roku Smart TV, and it's going for $170 on Walmart, and you can see it arrives December 3rd, which is in 4 days from now. So you have a TV, and here's your picture. So what you guys want to do is you want to click on the picture, guys, double tap to zoom so you can get that off of there. And what you want to do is you want to screenshot these pictures. Double tap to zoom, get it off of there, zoom back out. You want to screenshot all of these pictures, guys, and because you want to make your customer feel comfortable with buying your products. So once you have your pictures screenshotted, or once you have your pictures ready to go, you want to make sure your pictures are professional, guys. You want to make sure your pictures draw attention, or if you are selling some of your own products, just make sure the picture has good lighting, you know, just a good picture in general, because people are buying, they're spending their money, they want to feel confident in their purchases. So once you have your picture, you just want to simply go to the eBay app, guys. And what you want to do is you want to go to selling, you want to list an item, and you just simply want to type in what you are selling. So in this case, we are selling a smart TV. It said it was a Hisense. We gotta find the 40-inch. Here we go, right here, guys. 40-inch TV screen. What you want to do is you want to pick it. You want to put new because it's from Walmart. Of course, it's new. We're not selling refurbished. And as you can see right here, guys, you have your photos. You have your photos right here. It already has all the information you need. It has your title already typed in, the specifics, guys. It has the description already typed in for you. All you have to do is change the pricing. So the item was priced at, what is it, $180. So you want to take the auction off, guys, because most auctions it lowers the price of your product, guys. So what you want to do is you want to leave just buy it now on. And so Walmart's selling it for $180, so I'm gonna put it for $210. Okay, offers at minimum offer $180. No, minimum offer $190. Okay, guys, because a $10 profit at the end of this day is still a good amount of profit, because it's $10 for just going online shopping. So you want to put the quantity. You want to put 2, or you want to put. I suggest put anywhere from 2 to 10, guys. I don't suggest putting 100, because you don't necessarily want, you know, 100 orders coming from 5 different products and now you're overwhelmed. So just put 10 to limit it and see how fast your products are selling and which product is selling the most for you. And if you need to, go ahead and raise that up to whatever number you need to raise it up to. But for product testing purposes, guys, we're just gonna put 10. Everything is already done for you. You can add the pictures if you want, and that's what I'm gonna do because I feel like my pictures are better. So we're just gonna go ahead and touch up the photo, guys. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and crop this photo so all the extra stuff from your screenshot won't be involved on your post. So once you do that, you want to put some more pictures on there, boom, 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 and then you just want to repeat the steps for each thing that you've done, guys. So, and then all you have to do, guys, is press list your item, and you have a freshly listed TV on eBay, guys. And all you have to do is wait for your customer to buy it. They will send you the money directly. Well, they'll purchase from eBay, but eBay would deposit the money directly into your bank account. All you have to do is use your credit card to buy the products from Walmart or Overstock, guys. You want to use your credit card so that you can get travel points, so you can get rewards points, so you can get some cash back. Depending on what credit card you use, you can get cash back, guys, on purchases that you're buying for other people, extra money in your pocket. So at the end of the month, if you're making $100 a day, at the end of the month you get tally up $200 in cash back or $200 in rewards or flights, guys, by simply using your credit card. Also, we have a discounted $5 drop shipping course in the PayHip link in the description below. Go buy the ebook. It's $5 only right now for December sale, special December sale. We got all types of ebooks on sale, $5. Go in the link in the description on the PayHip link and buy your drop shipping ebook tutorial today, guys. My name is KINGLATTA. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, man. Please make sure you subscribe for more, guys. And this is Black Investors Group, and we're out. Woo!